Uptown Swing level 1, Charleston.
Hannah.
Peter. We did kickaways into around the world. Very fancy. Just a reminder, when you're doing this, you get your practice in this good posture, and then you turn. No big deal. If you can turn a little faster, great. Don't turn your legs. That doesn't work. I know it looks really good, but it doesn't work, okay? So when we do this, here is our little mantra to get into it, just to give us some practice. We did a basic, then we think double kick, single, single, double kick. Come right back to basics if we want. So when you're turning, you need those single kicks, and you can just mess around with it. I encourage you, if you have a partner to practice at home, you can just try this, just do a bunch of these. Hey, ho, hey, ho. Try it a bunch. When you're ready, the leaders go. Hey, and remember, keep turning and turn more was a big fix. That's the way to reconnect and to start the whole thing. And everybody, especially followers, we're bringing our hands with us. If we didn't have each other, we'd be like, bye, like take your hands with you, have that fight. We disagree, and that gives us actually a really good feeling, so don't be afraid of that. Good work, everybody. Sorry Charleston is sweaty. Good hustle.